Hello friends, my name is Aditya and in our today's video we are talking about force. So what is force? Push or pull of an object is considered a force. Push and pull come from the object interacting with one another. Terms like stretch, squeeze can also be used to denote force. In physics, force is defined as the push or pull of an object with mass that causes it to change its velocity. Force is external agents capable of changing the stable or rest motion of particular body. It has magnitude and direction. The direction towards which the force is applied is known as the direction of the force. Can application of force is the point where force is applied. The force can be measured using spring balance. The SI unit of force is Newton. Types of force. There are two types of force. First one is a contact force and another one is a non-contact force. Force is physical cause that can change state of motion or dimension of an object. Forces that act on a body either directly or through medium are called contact force. Examples of contact force: muscular force, mechanical force, frictional force. We can also make use muscular force of animals like bullock carts, horse and camels to get activation done. The frictional force is another type of contact force which acts between a pair of a surface in contact and tends upon the motion of one surface over the another. Non-contact force. Forces that can act through spaces without making direction contact with the body are called non-contact force. Examples of non-contact force: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, static electrostatic force, magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet on other magnet is called magnetic force. Magnetic force and electrostatic force act on a object from a distance. That is reason they are not in contact. The strength of gravity attracts force that extend by the earth on the object, which make them fall to the land. The weight of a body is the force pulled by earth towards the center. Thank you for watching my video.